What a dream of a home! Let's start on the outside. Yard with a plethora of plants including iris, peonies, daisies, bloodroot, Virginia bluebells, ferns, native grasses, roses. There is also a plum tree and a cherry tree. Seller installed a concrete driveway, and the roof was replaced second week of May this year. New triple pane windows installed approximately 2008. This is the split-level style home with a spacious entryway. Attractive new Pella doors to garage, screen door and front door. The main level improvements include new kitchen sink, garbage disposal, countertops, stove, microwave, and deck. Freshly painted ceilings and walls. Lower level family room offers gas burning fireplace, an office area, and a walkout to the backyard. New light fixtures throughout home. The bedroom sizes are generously proportioned as well as the closets. There is also storage under the staircase. Garage has a bump out in the rear for added storage or work area. Welcome home.